Yes, good afternoon. My name is Eric de Ponsin. I am EVP Strategic Partnership at Bell Group, French family-owned business, 3 billion euros revenues. We have a strong track record in fast-moving consumer goods. We have now a very strong strategy on plant-based with an acquisition first, with applying our proposition to all the routes to market we have in 15 countries. So a strong track record on everything which is plant-based, which is close to what ÖZERS is proposing. I happened to meet Maxence a few months ago through personal connection. I love the entrepreneur mindset. I love his energy, and I believe that he's on a very, very interesting proposition on a very large market. I'm glad that he could apply to a partnership with Brinc. Sure that Brinc is going to bring a lot mainly in Asia to the project. So good luck Maxence, good luck to everyone.
Hi, I'm Maxence Damaret, co-founder and CEO of ÖZERS, the sports nutrition company for naturally powered athletes. What do you see? I'm sure you see a boxer waiting to start a fight. Actually, that's me. I'm an undefeated professional boxer, and before the moment of this fight, this is what I went through. Intense soreness, a harmful weight loss done at the detriment of health, training hard while having to deal with chronic injuries. They come back at every training camp. Why? Simply because the right nutrition athletes like me need does not exist. Whatever we take, we always have to compromise between health and performance. Even more if we are looking for products that taste good and respect the environment. And guess what? I'm not alone. We are hundreds, millions of athletes in the 45 billion euros sports nutrition market looking for the nutrition without compromise. We will never choose between health and performance. Choosing is renouncing, and this is not in our DNA. So that's why we undertook the mission of unlocking athletes' maximum performance without any compromise between health, taste, and impact. And here we come with the solution, ÖZERS, a 100% vegan and complete post-workout blend to support athletes that train like animals. It will ensure a complete recovery from muscles, bones, cartilage, and sleep, and after all types of training intensities. Its natural ingredients will keep your body healthy. Also, you can consume it whatever your diet is like, as it is vegan, keto-friendly, soy-free, and low in calories. This is only the first step of an innovative plant-based pipeline. We are looking at launching 4 new highly functional and tasty products within the next 12 months. This pipeline is unique. And what particularly makes it stand out from the competition is that we use ingredients like microalgae, in which we have a deep expertise like none other in the competition. Also, we have secret and scalable processes and are looking into patents for our next products. Our ingredients list are clean and as natural as they can be. And finally, our products are accessible for the consumer as we have better COGS than pure players. As you see, the opportunity to do better than others is right now. In the past 6 months, we've generated more than 1,000 customers online and get great reviews from them. Because our mission is shared since the beginning by high-level athletes. For example, in just a few months of existence, you could see us in the hands of world-class fighters. First, because they believed in us, as we are some of them, and then because they actually loved the product. Unexpectedly, our post-workout rapidly became the magic potion of other types of athletes. Well, I'm happy to present you the founding team behind ÖZERS. First, Olivier Daron, a skilled and successful food trend hunter who has multiple experience in creating but also importing new products in France. He was, for example, the first French importer of Oreo, Dain, and Chicken. Then we have Algama Foods, an expert in microalgae with 25 patents filed. Its team of food biotech engineers and doctors work on our products. Finally, myself. I'm the CEO, but I'm also a professional boxer and I'm an engineer certified in sports nutrition science. We have now a team of 4 employees and are still hiring at the moment. We are mentored by François Blum, founder of Le Bon Coin, and Eric de Ponsin, General Director at the Bell Group. He is also one of our angel investors. We are backed by game-changing accelerators, Brinc and Provenge, and more locally by Euroalimentaire and the Mexican Sprint. So that's how we are making money, a cross-channel model combining e-commerce and B2B distribution. This enables us to have high margins, providing us with a great auto-financing capacity. We will break even in year 3 and exit in 6 to 8 years. So far, we have raised 830,000 euros from business angels and VCs in a safe, convertible debt and grants. We are now raising 2.5 million euros to support our growth plan. So is to say, hiring a team of warriors, financing an aggressive marketing strategy, skyrocketing the agile market, producing new products, and filing IP. So, if you want to join a game-changing fight against compromises by investing or introducing us to manufacturing, logistics, and distribution partners internationally, please reach out for a follow-up meeting. Thank you.